Well, hey there, YouTubers and Facebook friends. Spongie here once again, and I think this is going to be part 5 or part 4. It's pretty sad, I don't remember what part it is. I think it's part 4. I'm going to give the fast gas car wash one more shot, see if they up the ante on the pressure and soaps and suds. Anyways, stay tuned and check out the review. And I know for sure you guys are just shaking your head. How did you get your car so dirty? Well, here it is, folks. This time my car is really dirty, and this will definitely put the car wash to the test. Like, it's actual dirt on there, on the wheels as well. Yeah, sorry about the wind. Yeah, like, this is really dirty. I know it's gonna rain soon. The car actually dirty, because I know most people when they get their car washed, it's filthy, and my car is definitely that. There's even filth underneath the wing there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but anyways, yeah, she's borderline spongy. I can't believe your car got this dirty. So anyways, we're about to soon see how good the car wash does. Well, so with any luck, my car will be cleaner regardless. So far the soap suds are going on fairly nice. My car was pretty well crying in tears today, so I don't know if your car has feelings, but mine sure does. Anyways, stay tuned and I'll show you how good this car wash does, and hopefully it does better than the first time I was here. It's the first time, well, I wasn't exactly impressed. Surprisingly, it is a hell of a lot cleaner than it was, that's for sure. No more crying, aka Silver Fox time machine. Yep, that's right, folks. Her name is Silver Fox. AKA the time machine. Not because she can go back in time, of course, but maybe you guys can figure out what I mean by that. Time